Okay, children, now we are going to today's last exercise, page number 41, exercise B. Encircle the odd word in each set, state the reason. So here some words are given, a set of 4 words are given. You have to find out the odd word, the word which is not included in that group. You have to find out and why it is not included in that group. That reason also you have to mention. So let us go to that exercise. First one, prince, king, countess, governor. So here prince, king and countess, these 3 are included in masculine gender, but the governor, it is not included in masculine gender, it's a common gender. So here the odd word is governor. The reason is it's a common gender. Now second one, cousin, uncle, friend, neighbor. So here cousin, friend and neighbor, these 3 are included in common gender. And what about uncle? It's not included in common gender, it is included in masculine gender. So which is the odd one here? Uncle, because it's a masculine gender. Now third one, table, chair, Eve, books. So can you guess which is the odd one here? Table, chair and books. These 3 are coming under neuter gender, but Eve, it's a feminine gender. So Eve is the odd one here and the reason is it's a feminine gender. Now fourth one, mare, fox, doe, duck. So here mare, doe and duck, these 3 are coming under feminine gender, and fox, it's a masculine gender. So which is the odd one here? Fox, because it's a masculine gender. Now fifth one, hare, baron, mistress, hunter. So here hare, baron and hunter, these 3 are coming under masculine gender, only the mistress is different from that, that is it's feminine gender. So here the odd one is mistress. Next, teacher, student, sir, principal. So here teacher, student and principal, these 3 are coming under common gender, but sir is coming under masculine gender. So here sir is the odd one and the reason is it's a masculine gender. Now seventh one, nest, bird, leaves, wood. So can you guess which is the odd one here? Nest, leaves and wood. See that 3, they are coming under which gender? Can you guess? Nest, leaves and wood, it's coming under neuter gender, but bird is not a neuter gender, it's a common gender. So here the odd one is bird because it's a common gender. Now eighth one, nun, peacock, witch, vixen. Here nun, witch and vixen, these 3 are coming under feminine gender, but peacock is coming under which gender? Masculine gender. So here the odd one is peacock. Now ninth one, spinster, earl, host, drake. Here spinster is which gender? feminine gender. But earl, host, break, these all are coming under masculine gender. So here spinster is the odd one in this group, that is feminine gender. Now 10th one, parents, doctor, nurse, stethoscope. So here parents, doctor, nurse, these three are coming under common gender, but stethoscope is a neuter gender. So here the odd one is stethoscope because it's a neuter gender. So students, practice this well, learn the types of gender and revise all the portion what we finished today.